Pretty gold boy.
Good boy.
Yes. He's gonna be Thac's brother, huh?
Brother. Owie, owie,
He's gonna go home with Thac. And Ryan, you have the girl?
I have the blue girl.
The blue girl. And they're all pretty whiny right now. They want Mama back. They want Mama back to come feed them.
Mom,
She's outside now.
For me again.
Uh-huh. Or maybe she's not outside. I think she's in the living room, isn't she? Okay, there is... Is that Craven you have there?
I have Craven.
Uh-huh, there's Craven. You're a big boy. And there's the blue boy by Sarah's knee. Sarah, can you turn him around a little bit?
Is this pale?
Sarah, can you take the blue boy?
Is this pale blue?
There you go. Now we can see his face. Yeah. And then
Do you want this one?
the two black and white ones. Hey, buddy. They're week old today. Their eyes are still not open, so they're still blind and deaf. And that's the other gold boy.
This is pale. This is black and white.
There, one in the black and white. And the other black and white.
This is the other black and white.
Mm-hmm.
Stop trying to nurse
And the blue boy and Thac's gold boy. That gold boy there is still available.
My name is Whittigo.
And the blue boy.
That's the
The other
gold
black
girl again.
boy. You have the gray girl.
Or the blue girl.
The blue girl, yeah.
Not the gray girl.
Yeah.
Or not the gold girl.
Here they are. Ryan's getting his leg licked. They suck on your finger. Still exploring by touch and by smell. And next week's video, their eyes will be open. And they'll be moving around a little more.